Let's go through the step-by-step process of adding a new service or item in Square's dashboard. To begin, expand the Services Items section in the left sidebar. Then open the Items menu beneath it to manage your offerings. Click Create Item to start adding a new service or product to your catalog. Next, enter a name for your item by clicking the Name field and typing your chosen product or service name. Move to the Price field and enter your rate. This makes your service or product available for sale. For online sales, set a separate online sale price if needed. This allows you to customize pricing across different channels. Use the AI generator in the description box to quickly create a professional, customer-friendly summary of your offering. If the first attempt doesn't work, enter relevant keywords and try again. Once satisfied, insert the generated description into your item details. Click Browse Files to upload a product image and make your service more attractive to customers. Then review the tax settings for your service. Edit them as needed to ensure the correct sales tax is applied. Now, adjust the visibility and online channel settings to control where customers can find and purchase your service. Set any website visibility options and add channels to reach more clients. Finally, click Save to publish your new service to your catalog and make it available for sale. You've successfully learned how to add and launch a new service in Square.